ELGi is one of 3 manufacturers in the world to offer the full range of compressed air solutions. With a flourishing history of 60 years in the compressed air business, we offer our customers over 400 products and accessories. Auto workshops to small-scale manufacturing customers trust ELGi's reciprocating compressors for decades of reliable operation. Our water well compressors find water in the most arid conditions with the lowest fuel consumption. Our portable compressors enable life in the most remote regions with leading efficiency. Our encapsulated screw air compressors are the backbone of small-scale industries. We are one of 5 companies with the capability to design and build oil-free air ends. Our revolutionary Global Series screw air compressors are changing the way industry leaders use compressed air through design and technology. Right at this moment, there are more than 2 million ELGi air compressors running in more than 100 countries. Our vertically integrated manufacturing process ensures absolute quality control at every step of production. We achieve class-leading energy efficiency through our proprietary air end profile. As a result, ELGi's air compressors offer the lowest ownership cost experience in the world. Our repair over replace design philosophy drastically reduces maintenance costs, while our annual maintenance programs ensure that our customers are always protected. Our confidence in our quality and reliability results in the best warranty programs in the world. Through our air audit program, our team understands how companies use compressed air, helping their business realize tremendous energy savings. With an unparalleled focus on innovation, quality, and service, we ensure that your business is always running more efficiently, more profitably. We believe our real work begins after the sale. Over the years, with our robust service network and commitment to excellence, we've built lasting relationships with the world's most respected brands. Because we believe in keeping our promise to our customers so they can keep promises to their customers. Make ELGi a part of your story.